Hello everyone, it's felt really good to say this again. Welcome to my channel Upscale Experts. I know it's been a while. Actually, in fact, it's been quite a long time. It's been years actually. The thing was life got busy, some projects got expanded, a lot of conferences happened, and somehow in between this channel paused. But today I'm here with new energy, new ideas, and a completely fresh direction because I'm officially restarting this channel again. Over the past couple of years, something amazing happened. That is, Oracle Apex evolved, the community grows exponentially now. This AI entered the game, and today we build, application more faster, smarter, and even, better than ever before we do earlier stages. And I realized this content shouldn't just sit in a conference and technical sessions. It should be here, that is accessible to everyone. So there are a lot of things which needs to be covered. That's a step by step Apex tutorials, Apex plus AI integration, live demonstration, behind the scenes of real enterprise projects, best practices on security and performance tuning. That is a kind of part I've been focusing more on. Productivity tips, and yes, honest developers opinions. So if you're here before that, so thank you so much for waiting. And if you're new, so welcome to this new journey. Make sure you subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below if you want any specific topic to be covered, and if you want that topic to be covered through this channel. Just write down in the comment box. I'll try my level best to cover that much in upcoming videos. So this time it's not something I'm just restarting this channel. I'm building an entire community. So let's explore, learn, innovate, and have fun. See you in the next video, which will be coming very soon. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep innovating. Jai Hind. Thank you so much.